7 Simple Ways to Naturally Whiten Your Teeth at Home. In 2015, Americans alone spent over $11 billion on teeth whitening, including over $1.4 billion on at-home whitening products. There are plenty of products to choose from when it comes to whitening your teeth. However, most whitening products use chemicals to bleach your teeth, which concern many people. If you want whiter teeth, but also want to avoid the chemicals, then this video lists many options that are both natural and safe. What causes teeth to look yellow? There are multiple factors that cause teeth to become dull and lose their bright, white sparkle. Certain foods can stain your enamel, which is the outermost layer of your teeth. Additionally, plaque buildup on your teeth can cause them to look yellow. This type of discoloration can usually be treated with regular cleaning and whitening remedies. Here are 7 simple ways you can naturally whiten your teeth. 1. Dry oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional remedy meant to improve oral hygiene and remove toxins from the body. The practice involves swishing oil around in your mouth to remove bacteria, which can turn into plaque and cause your teeth to look yellow. Traditionally, Indians used sunflower or sesame oil for oil pulling, but any oil will work. Coconut oil is a popular choice because it has a pleasant taste and offers many additional health benefits. Coconut oil is also high in lauric acid, which is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. Coconut oil pulling involves swishing oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes to remove bacteria. Practicing this daily can reduce plaque and may brighten your teeth. 2. Brush with baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening properties, which is why it's a popular ingredient in commercial toothpaste. It's a mild abrasive that can help scrub away surface stains on teeth. Additionally, baking soda creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, which prevents bacteria from growing. This is not a remedy that will whiten your teeth overnight, but you should notice a difference in the appearance of your teeth over time. Science has not yet proven that brushing with plain baking soda will whiten your teeth. But several studies show that toothpaste with baking soda has a significant whitening effect. Brushing with a paste made with baking soda and water can reduce bacteria in your mouth and buff away surface stains. 3. Use hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent that also kills bacteria in your mouth. In fact, people have been using hydrogen peroxide for years to disinfect wounds because of its ability to kill bacteria. Many commercial whitening products contain hydrogen peroxide, although at a much higher concentration than you will use. Unfortunately, there aren't any studies to show the effects of rinsing or brushing with hydrogen peroxide alone. But several studies have analyzed commercial toothpastes containing peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent and can kill bacteria in your mouth. You can use it as a mouthwash or mix it with baking soda to form whitening toothpaste. 4. Use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries as a disinfectant and natural cleaning product. Acetic acid, which is the main active ingredient in apple cider vinegar, effectively kills bacteria. The antibacterial property of vinegar is what makes it useful for cleaning your mouth and whitening your teeth. One study performed on cow teeth found that apple cider vinegar does have a bleaching effect on teeth. However, they also found that vinegar may soften the teeth. The acetic acid in vinegar has the potential to erode the enamel on your teeth. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties that may help whiten your teeth. However, overuse of vinegar can also erode the enamel on your teeth, so limit its use to a few times per week. 5. Use fruits and vegetables. A diet high in fruits and vegetables may be good for both your body and your teeth. While they're no substitute for brushing your teeth, crunchy, raw fruits and vegetables can help rub plaque away as you chew. In particular, strawberries and pineapple are 2 fruits that have been claimed to help whiten your teeth. Certain fruits may have properties that help whiten teeth. Regularly consume raw fruits and vegetables to help rub off plaque and keep your teeth looking bright. 6. prevent tooth stains before they happen. Your teeth naturally yellow as you age, but there are some things you can do to prevent stains on your teeth. Limit staining foods and beverages. Coffee, red wine, soda and dark berries are infamous for staining teeth. That doesn't mean you have to completely avoid them, but you should limit the amount of time these substances are in contact with your teeth. If possible, drink beverages known to stain teeth out of a straw to prevent direct contact with your teeth. Limit sugar in your diet if you want whiter teeth. Cut back on your sugar intake. Get plenty of calcium in your diet. Some tooth discoloration is caused by enamel eroding away and exposing the dentin underneath, which is yellow in color. Therefore, anything you do to strengthen the enamel of your teeth will help keep your teeth pearly white. A healthy diet with enough calcium can help prevent your teeth from becoming yellow. Brushing your teeth soon after you eat can also help prevent stains. 7. Don't underestimate the value of brushing and flossing. While some tooth discoloration comes naturally with age, it is largely a result of plaque buildup. Regular brushing and flossing can help your teeth stay white by reducing bacteria in your mouth and preventing plaque buildup. Daily brushing and flossing, along with regular cleanings at the dentist's office, prevent the buildup of yellowing plaque on your teeth.